Here is a crazy fact. As of 2004, there's roughly 8.3 billion people on the planet, with about 207 million of them creators, and only about 62 million of them focused on YouTube. That means we YouTube creators are 0.75% of the population. And of that 0.75%, 95% of the creators out there fail. You want to know why? I'm going to let you know right here in this video. Welcome to this series that I call Nice to Know, Nice to Have November. This is a series where I get into the things I wish I knew and I wish I had when I started content creation. Most creators spend hours of their time watching reviews about gear, arguing about things in the comments. Sony is better, Nikon, Fuji, GoPro, Insta360. Should you buy this? Should you buy that? They're trying to learn the latest apps, techniques, hacks, saying after all of that, arguing in the comments that they have no time to create that video. They have no time to edit that video. The number one reason why content creators fail is they're not actually creating. You see, it turns out I'm a creator. Why? Because I actually create. I know, wait. I know that might just make you mad. And I know that probably irritates you because everybody has a reason why they can't create that video. I too, on days, have those reasons where I can't create. But if I really think about it and I dig in deep, I can find a time where I spend like an hour today playing Brawl Stars instead of editing or making a video. But I understand you need to have your time. You need your time to relax. But honestly, seriously, many creators believe that there is some secret hack or some system that you can buy to be successful. And the only foundational skill you need to be a content creator is do the work. The only way to be successful is to fail. You cannot even begin to succeed if you haven't failed first. The more videos you create, the better you become. The better you become, the more people you attract. The more people you attract, they tell two friends, and they tell two friends, and so on, and so on, and so on. Many people sit here, I've been creating for a year, and I only have 300 subscribers. And so I go to check their channel, and they got like 10, 15 videos maybe. Seriously, the only way to get good at doing this is to do this. I must point out that a poorly shot video with really good information is more valuable than a perfectly shot video that circumloquates and wax rhapsodically about absolutely nothing. When your viewers come to you for what you're going to provide, if you provide that on a high-8 camera, but it saves them time, saves them stress, saves them money, solves their problems, they will absolutely watch that video. You know what many photographers are doing today? Going out and trying to find crappier cameras to shoot with. Wait. I know that sounds crazy. Here I sit with a Sony ZV-E1 incredible camera. Also with a Fuji X106 incredible camera. You know the most fun I've had shooting recently? It was something called a camp snap. It is a plastic camera that sort of harkens back to the days of early digital cameras. Why? It just takes really hilariously good pictures, but not from the clarity that's so artificial the way modern cell phones and really good cameras do. One of the reasons why this Fuji is so popular is you can set settings on this camera to make it take more natural looking pictures. You know, and again, many amateur photographers fail because they don't go out and shoot. Oh my God, if you ever want to see people just get upset, go to any of the camera videos or camera blogs and watch people argue about gear that they're not going to buy. And I know this because I spend a lot of time in those places. I know this because as a tech person, as a former tech writer for AOL, as a former Apple employee, you know what I saw all this week about the brand new M4 computers? Apple did this wrong. Apple did that wrong. The number one company in the freaking planet some keyboard jockey, wherever they live, are arguing about what Apple did absolutely wrong. Apple is just trying to take your money. Yes, I'm a content creator. You know what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to make money. It doesn't necessarily have to be yours, but considering I don't do a lot with sponsors, yeah, maybe super chat, thank you. Super thanks, thank you. Buy some Doc Pops, absolutely. This is what I do this for. I am a full-time creator, but I am a full-time creator because I actually create. Being a creator requires the act of creating. And the more you create, the better you get. So last time, the number one reason why most creators fail is they don't spend enough time actually creating. If you spent 5 minutes a day making a video and another 5 minutes uploading it to YouTube and another 5 minutes on a description and that 15 minutes a day, you will become, over time, more successful than 95% of the population that starts out trying to be a creator. This has been another video in my series of Nice to Know, Nice to Have November. And of course, like I said, this was sponsored by nobody, just me. I'm Doc. I am the creator of Doc Pops. I make these really cool, colorful, custom mic covers that will help you take the plosives out, kill some of the background noise, and just, well, look really fresh on camera. And why did I create these? Because I couldn't find anything that I liked, so I just made it myself. Because like I said,
and who is the creator?
I'm a creator.
Creator?
Why? Simply because I create. Right now, I'm going to post up another video I think you should watch. It's going to come up right now. Give it a look.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver.